we're now off to The Experience, 7 p.m. to 7 a.m. at TBS.
This is my 9th year. I never miss. We're going to watch it all night.
Ladies and gentlemen, jump up on your feet.
I feel. I'm tired.
What an experience. Okay, so no tickets, free for all.
Hi, welcome.
Why are you here?
To praise God. This is my 9th year. I never miss.
The Experience is Africa's largest live gospel music event, drawing over 500,000 people for 12 hours of overnight praise and worship. This celebration features top international and local artists, uniting the huge crowd in a powerful night of faith and music.
Why have you come to The Experience?
Worship. Yeah, to do praise and worship.
How important is your religion to you?
It's very, very important.
And you're going to stay until sunrise?
Yeah, definitely. We're not going to sleep. We're not going to sleep. We're going to watch it all night.
Are you an usher tonight? Thank you very much.
We thank you, O God, and once again for experience 1, experience 2, experience 13,
The event is organized by the House on the Rock, an evangelical Christian church founded in 1994 by Pastor Paul Adefarasin.
Hold on to your revelation. That's where your victory is.
Headquartered in Lagos, the Rock Cathedral, the church's iconic home, was officially opened in 2013 by former President Goodluck Jonathan and former British Prime Minister, one Sir Anthony Blair. Now in its 19th year, the Experience has become an annual highlight for Christians from all denominations, as well as anyone else who wishes to join. It's one of the city's most anticipated annual events at the end of another long year in Lagos.
Why are you here?
Praise God.
How many times have you been?
This is my 3rd time.
And you go to House on the Rock?
No, I don't.
Which church?
Elevation.
Elevation. And you're going to stay till 7 a.m.
Not 7-4. I have to be in church by 8.
You're going to another church tomorrow? The English hymns aren't so popular. Everyone's just sitting down.
Probably most of us doesn't know it.
It's very different as well. I guess reflective, peaceful. And then back into the good stuff.
This is my first time.
Your first time?
Yes, it's
Enjoy. I'll see you in the morning.
Thank you.
You'll be here?
Yes, I will.
We're here to worship God.
Worship God. Experience 19.
Christianity first arrived in Nigeria in the 15th century, when Portuguese missionaries introduced the faith along the coastal regions. However, it wasn't until the 19th century, with the efforts of British missionaries like the Church Missionary Society, that Christianity began to spread more widely across the country. While it flourished in the south, Islam had already established a strong presence in the north. The 1960s and 70s saw the emergence of vibrant Pentecostal movements in Nigeria, focusing on faith healing, prosperity gospel, and charismatic worship. By the 80s and 90s, the rise of megachurches revolutionized the religious landscape. These churches grew at an unprecedented pace, attracting thousands of worshippers and building modern, state-of-the-art facilities. Today, nearly half of Nigeria's population identifies as Christian, making it home to one of the largest Christian communities in Africa, second only to Ethiopia. Lagos, the country's commercial hub, reflects this religious diversity, with a balanced Christian and Muslim population. In this vibrant, multi-ethnic city, there is a remarkable example of religious harmony, where people of different faiths and tribes coexist, for the most part, in peace.
You dragged me here.
Yeah, that's cool. That's cool. Yeah, that's cool.
Zobo, there we go, perfect. Eloni,
Yeah, it's 1,000.
1,000. What are you selling?
I'm selling spaghetti stir fry.
Spaghetti stir,
We
looks
have
nice.
chicken and chips. We have smoking patty jollof rice to nourish the body that hustles the money.
Shawarma.
Big boy press worldwide. #1 in Africa.
Tiger nut drink.
We have a taste of it.
I'll have a taste of it. There we go.
So what's for you? How is it?
Very nice.
Yeah, it's nice.
Very, very nice. I like it.
I told you, you like it. You will come and see me in the morning. I'll be here.
Summer holiday.
Yeah, my name is Miriam. My name is not Summer Holiday.
It's summer holiday.
No, my name is
Miriam. She's Miriam.
Is this your first experience?
My first experience, yeah.
You've been to House of Iran.
Yes, I have. With Pastor Paul and the Pharisees.
We expected about 10 years I've gone through. We still come here and rejoice and praise. So it's very important that we come here and let out the steam. That's what I'm
Let
calling.
out the steam from the frustrations of daily life.
I mean, it's not easy from January to December, so we have to let out the steam. Let's believe in ourselves.
God bless
So
you.
it's very important that
How does everyone stay awake?
I mean, it's the spirit.
And there's no alcohol.
No alcohol.
No
It's the
alcohol.
spirit.
This is your first time at the experience?
It's the first time.
First time?
Yes.
Wow. Are you enjoying?
Yes.
I'm having fun.
Are you going to stay until daybreak?
Yes.
Hey, they're twins. How old are they?
11.
11. Amazing. Thank you. Have a great night and morning. It's before 6. We've come back for dawn. So everyone's been up all night. A few people leaving. Still going. Wow. Wow.
My people from the east are here. I know you can hear that sound. Ladies and gentlemen, jump up on your feet. It is time to give God the bottom parts. Let's give God the bottom part of our praise as we make weather. Mr. M and the revelation. If you just want that glory, if you just want that glory, Holy Spirit, carry me away.
I did.
How do you feel?
I came very fine.
Energized?
100%.
Your first experience?
Yeah, 100.
Really? You come back?
Sure. Or maybe I get a VIP seat this time.
It's an interdenominational service. Whether you're Redeemer, you attend Redeem, you attend Winners, whatever church you attend, you can come here. We fellowship together in love, in joy, and we are happy, we are energetic about it. We feel fulfilled. We feel energetic because we are able to pour our heart to God, to appreciate God. So when you get home, you just relax, you rest, you sleep. But in your heart, you are full of thanks, knowing you've appreciated God for the whole of the year, for what He has done for you and for what is coming.
I actually went home to sleep.
Yeah,
I cheated.
Wow, that's nice.
That's cheating.
But I didn't get to sleep throughout the night.
Did you guys enjoy it?
Yes.
You're not tired?
I'm tired.
You're tired?
Very
You're the
tired.
first person that's admitted being tired.
Why would I not be tired? I mean, it's overnight. I'm probably lying.
How do you feel?
Excited.
You see the sun coming up?
Yeah, it is.
You want to go home and sleep?
Yes, I will. I'll
That's
sleep
it.
all day till evening.
What an experience.